Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Yahoo Finance API with Python. We will focus on the iFinance library, which simplifies data retrieval. First, you'll need to install it. Open your terminal or command prompt and type pip install iFinance. This command will set up the library, allowing you to start fetching financial information in just a few moments. It's a straightforward process to get everything ready for your data analysis. Once iFinance is installed, retrieving historical data is simple. You can download data for a specific stock, like Apple, by providing its ticker symbol, APPLE. You can also define a start and end date for your data range. For example, you might request data from January 1st to December 31st of a given year. Additionally, you can choose the data interval, such as daily, weekly, or monthly, to suit your analytical needs. Beyond historical prices, iFinance also provides access to current market data and essential company fundamentals. You can quickly fetch the latest stock price for a ticker, giving you up-to-the-minute insights. Furthermore, the library allows you to pull detailed fundamental information, such as a company's market capitalization, its dividend yield, or its earnings per share. This rich data helps in making more informed investment decisions and understanding a company's financial health. For more advanced analysis, iFinance enables you to download data for multiple tickers at once, making comparisons much easier. Once you have your data, you can readily integrate it with popular Python libraries like Pandas for further manipulation and analysis. You might calculate moving averages or visualize price trends. The library offers many more functions, so explore its documentation to unlock its full potential for your financial projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.